Dear students, in this video we will do current affairs or we can say general knowledge question answer on COVID-19 coronavirus disease. Our first question is who developed biosuit of personal protective equipment to prevent from COVID-19? That biosuit of personal protective kit we can say that is made by DRDO. Due to lockdown, to whom with Domino's has partnership to deliver essential things. To deliver the essential things, Domino's has partnership with ITC company. In which bank PM Cares fund money is collected? PM Cares fund money is collected in Indian Overseas Bank. In which city zoo Nadia Tigris caught corona positive? Nadia Tigris caught corona positive in New York City. 5T plan has started in which state to overcome from COVID-19 disease? That 5T plan has started by Delhi government to overcome from COVID-19 disease. First state which has extended lockdown up to 30th April, that is Odisha. Odisha state has extended lockdown up to 30th April 1st. Where has 24 into 7 hour health channel started for COVID-19? 24 into 7 hours health channel has started in Nicobar to prevent from COVID-19 disease. Name first Indian company which made coronavirus test kit. First Indian company Cosra Diagnostic Private Limited which made first test kit of coronavirus. First Indian company to make test kit for coronavirus, Cosra Diagnostic Private Limited, is situated in which city? That for designing the coronavirus test kit, Cosra Diagnostic Private Limited is situated in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. From Education Desk, who declared to close all private and government schools up to 31st March due to coronavirus disease? That is declared by Human Resource and Development Ministry that all private and government schools should be closed up to 31st March due to coronavirus disease. Up to which year World Athletics Championship 2021 has postponed? That World Athletics Championship which has to be held in 2021 that has postponed up to 2022. Which Grand Slam recently cancelled due to the coronavirus disease? That Wimbledon Open recently which has to be organized has cancelled due to the coronavirus disease. With whom Bharat Pay company entered in insurance cover covering policy for COVID-19? Bharat Pay company has entered in insurance cover covering policy with the ICICI Lombard GI to cover the insurance who are servicing in for the COVID-19 disease. Who declared due to COVID-19 disease whole world entered in economic downfall? That whole world or we can say universe has entered in economic downfall, that is declared by IMF. The full form of IMF is International Monetary Fund, that has declared that now there will be economic downfall in the world. Which state government has made first food bank for needy people? That is made by Manipur for hungry and needy people. Manipur government has made first food bank for them. Which railway station made first sanitizing tunnel for people? That railway station, Ahmedabad railway station has made sanitizing tunnel to sanitize the common people which are coming on railway station. Which state government has made Operation Fateh to overcome from coronavirus disease? To overcome from coronavirus disease, Operation Fateh has started by the Punjab government, who launched Nearby Spots app to give the knowledge for local stores. Nearby, whatever sports are available for local things or local stores, Google had made the app to give the knowledge about the nearby sports by the sports app.